2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, CD player, MP3 capability, fog lights, power moonroof, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, HD radio, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.